very, very weird after wearing glasses for like a bunch of years to not have glasses on, but when you have face surgery, you can't have glasses on. Anyway, we're here to read Japanese. So, alright. Ayako no mi no mae ni wa me no mae ni wa小さな男の子と若い男の人が一緒座っています。Ayako something in front of something in front of Ayako. A little boy and a man. I think it's young man. So wakai might be young. Young man. Isho ni suateimasu. They are there. Something. In front of Ayako, there are a small boy and a young man sitting together. 男の子はタブレットでビデオを見ています。The little boy is watching a video on a tablet. Ha ha ha. That's actually just the boy, not the little boy. 若い男の人は電車の窓の外を眺めています。The young man, the train 窓 I don't know. The young man is looking out the window of the train. So, nagame is to what? I have to look that up. この二人は親子かな? It's interesting because like futari. Oh, futari, two people. Okay. So those two. Interesting. Okay. So the translation for this sentence is, are they a child and a father? Which is interesting because the way it reads is kono futari. And I never noticed this because I'm looking at the kanji, and the kanji is ni hito, which is the two of them. So futari, which I totally forgot, is the counter for two people. I just totally forgot, so that's cool. Kono futari wa oyako. Maybe that means, are they family? No, kana? I don't know. And so seito to sensei kana, which is, are they teacher and student? All right. Honestly, the next chunk's really long, and my brain is V-fried, so I'm gonna call it for today, but frankly, I think that was really good, and I'm super psyched about it, so that's gonna be it. Ja!